Welcome to my channel everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to make Bengali style fish curry. It's fairly simple and easy to make and it's extremely tasty. So let's see how to make it. So first I'm marinating fish for 30 minutes in turmeric and salt. The measurement will be to coat the fish with turmeric and salt as much as needed. I have used mustard oil to fry the fish. So the basic step to fry the fish is to ensure that you have a red color on the fish when you take it off. Ensure that you don't over crowd the wok, or else it will be difficult for you to move around the fishes and flip it over. Be patient when you're frying the fish. Ensure the oil is hot and it's smoking before you put the fishes in, or else it will stick to the bottom. You can see the color has changed to red. It's fried really well. As you can see, the color should be something like this. Let's remove the fish and set it aside. I'm removing excess oil and I'm just leaving 2 tablespoons of oil in the wok. This is to fry the vegetables, so I'm using cauliflower. If you have potato, you can use potato as well. I like cauliflower in the fish, so I'm adding cauliflower here. The aim would be to ensure that the cauliflowers have brown charred skin on it before we remove it. At this point in time, I'm not looking forward for the cauliflower to be well cooked or soft. I'm just looking for the color here. I can see after stir frying it for approx 5 to 8 minutes, the color has changed and it has the char that I was looking for. As you can see, it has changed the color and it has slight tint of brown, and that is exactly what I need. You don't want the cauliflowers to be well cooked when you put it in the gravy. So now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 bay leaf which I've split in 2. And I'm going to dampen the oil with this. Now I'm going to make a slurry of turmeric, which I have used 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons I have used Kashmiri Mirch powder. 1.5 teaspoon cumin powder and half cup of water I've used, and I'm mixing it well. Now I'm going to fry this masala in medium to low heat. The aim is to let it reduce. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste as well. There is no need of garlic, so please avoid and just use ginger paste. In medium heat, we are letting it reduce. So ensure that you are stirring it well, or it will be burning at the bottom. We will stir fry the masala till the time we see that the oil is oozing out. After approx 5 minutes, I can see that it has reduced and it starts oozing out the oil that was that we have talked about. Now once that's done, I'm adding 2 cups of water for the gravy. Now it depends on the need that you have for the gravy. If you need more gravy, add more water and the gravy will be more. I'm adding salt to taste and adding the fried fishes that we have fried earlier. Keep the flame to medium to low, and now I'm adding the cauliflower, the fried one that we have done earlier. I'm going to adjust the gravy because after adding cauliflower I see that the gravy might be a little lower. I'm adding more water to it, and I'll add tomato, and once I have added the tomatoes I will cover it and let it cook in medium flame. I'm going to leave it with the cover on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid, and I can see it's almost done. So I'm adding the coriander leaves. And I'll reduce the flame to low now, and I want the coriander leaves to release its flavor to the gravy, so I'll cover it again for approx 5 minutes now. After 5 minutes I'm removing the lid, and I can see it's all done and it's ready to be served. This is very simple to make and very extremely tasty. So do try this and let me know how you liked it in the comment section. So you can serve it with hot rice, and if you have access to Gondoraj lebu or Kafir lemon, please do try it and let me know how you have enjoyed this recipe. So this is all it. This is how you make Bengali style fish curry. So that's it. Please ensure to leave a like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till next time, stay blessed, stay connected. Have a great day ahead. Bye everyone.